the review is a little short. If you need stuff, if you need something that isn't covered, just let me know. And I'm going to try and do it without talking as much as possible. Okay, so 14 is what percent of 56? I just want to take 14 over 56 and multiply it by 100. Okay. All right. I am going to let you guys figure out some of this for yourself. So I'm just going to kind of give you steps. All right. If you look at this problem, it's saying that Katie memorized 40 multiplication facts last week and 56 this week. So you want to take the new minus the old. So 56 minus 40. Okay, get that amount, which is 16. Then you take 16 and you divide it by the original. Multiply it by 100%. I don't know why my writing is not working as normal as it does. Like there's little blocks here, spaces. I don't know why. Okay, so then that's how you would do this one. All right, I'm just going to talk about this one a little bit. So is and of are really important. Is going to be an answer. So 37% of what number is 12? Oh, okay, so it wants us to look at 37 here each time. So 37, you can see here, is a percent. So that one's pretty easy. All right, when you see of, anytime you see of and the word and then 37, then it's going to be a base. Okay. And then when you have is an amount. Okay. All right. All right. Ooh, super fast. Okay. Okay, this one says Kenya is building a countertop using the design below. The granite that she wants to cover the countertop costs $4 per square foot. If there is no waste, how much will she spend? So the first thing I want to do is figure out my shapes. So I'm going to cut down. And I'm going to cut across. Okay. So this is actually going to be 3 feet for my triangle. And then if this is 7 and this is 10, then this part here of the triangle is also going to be 3 feet. Sorry, I can't be as loud as normal, but I think some of you probably appreciate that. Okay. All right. So 3 feet, 3 feet, 7, 7. We want to find square footage. So that's going to be area. So we'll do 7 times 3 equals 21 square feet. Okay. This one is going to be 2 by 3. So that'll be another 6. And then our area is 1/2. And this is where memorizing the formulas will help you. Base times height. Here's your base, there's your height. So 1/2, 3 times 3 is 9, so that would be 4.5. And again, I don't know why that's cutting out so much today. Maybe I need to get a different battery. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to add everything up. 21 plus 6 plus 4.5. It's going to be 31.5. And then just multiply by $4. So should be $126. All right. And if you guys need that, I'll make sure that this gets up on YouTube. All right. So I want to switch gears a little bit and go into something I haven't done yet for not just your class, but for the classes that came before you too. We're going to do some simple algebra stuff. So if we're going to solve for m here, I'm going to subtract 4 on both sides. So m here would be negative 16. Again, similar if we're going to solve for n. Whatever you do on the left side or one side of the equation, you have to do on the other. And then 9 away from, so negative 5. So you guys are way quicker than me on that mental math. Okay. All right. Now this leads us to multi-step equations. All right. So I'm going to subtract 4. That's going to get you 1/3 y equal to 12. Okay. Now we have a second step. We have to multiply by 3 on both sides. So then y is equal to 36. And if you plug 36 back in for y, you're going to find that it'll get, if you plug it back in here, you're going to get 16. Let me just do that for you real quick. So 1/3 of 36 plus 4. 36 goes into, 3 goes into 36 12 times. 16 equals 16. It's true. So this has been verified. Okay. All right. Next, we need to make sure we have combined terms. So we have to get all of our x's on the left, and everything else will go to the right. 15x minus 12x will give us 3x. 4 plus 9 will give us 13. So we subtract 12. We're going to get 3x equal to 1. So then x equals 1/3. And again, if you went through and you work that back in there, you would have a true statement again. All right, this is the last problem I'm gonna do for you right now. If you guys want to email me more problems, or if you want me to just keep creating them or finding them or whatever, I can do that. You just kind of, I guess you'll get what you get. Let me go through this, and then we'll see if you guys can ask me questions. All right, so we need to figure out a line that has these 2 points. So we have to figure out the slope first. Well, slope is equal to the change in y over the change in x. So change in y, we're going to do -1, so we're starting here, -5. Change is always going to be minus. And then the sign can change if it's a negative, but for right now we're going to do it like this. -4, because we started with the 1, so you have to start with the 4, minus a -1. Okay, so we have -6 on top. -4 plus 1 will give us a -3. Negative and negative will give us a positive. And 6 divided by 3 is 2. So our slope here is 2. Now we have to find the line. So if we do y equals mx plus b, we have to find the missing pieces. So we have our slope is 2. And what we really need right now is our y-intercept, which is our b. So we're going to come up here and we're going to pick one of these. Let's work with this one. So y is 5, x is -1. So here we get 5 equals -2 plus b. We're going to add 2 to both sides. So then b equals 7. So then your overall answer here is y equals 2x plus 7. And if you wanted to, you could graph that out, and you'll see both of these 2 points are on there. All right. Okay. That is everything on the review that I have.